Are you serious?
He's been in there all night.
He has. I had pictures of him earlier. He's been sleeping there.
What are you doing, buddy?
Damn goofy ass.
Socks.
See, that's Shane's cat. That's how damn goofy he is.
What are you doing, buddy? Huh?
He was asleep. He's like, leave me alone.
Crazy cat.
That's where he's gonna be all night.
I told you I wouldn't believe it. I'll believe
What
it.
are you doing, Socks? You gonna sleep there all night?
Yeah.
You gonna sleep there all night?
Shane, what? Gotta get up early, son.
What? Wake up. Come on. You gonna come? Come on. Oh. Come on. Let's go. Come on, Socks. Alright, just lay your head back down. You gonna sleep there all night? Night night. Night, Socks.